Hey, I'm going to show you how easy it is to get rid of that upper lip hair. I know it's kind of something none of us really want to talk about, but as I got into my upper 20s and now 30s, progressing into my mid 30s, I definitely have more upper lip hair. And this is something that if you wax it or you shave it, it seems like it gets coarser and darker. I've had great experience with this Oil of Olay hair removal. It's something that's super easy to apply. You just apply this almost like a skin guard, then you put on this cream. You'll let it sit for like 8 to 10 minutes. So if your hair is thicker, you let it sit on a little bit longer and it comes off, just wipes straight off. And I never have any rash or redness or anything like that. I'm actually getting ready to leave the house in just a moment. I'll show you how quick and easy it is to apply it and how I can even be putting on my makeup while this is going on. Of course, not my foundation, but after I get all my eye makeup on, I'll be ready to go. So, literally, you just take this barrier so that you protect your skin. It's like a Nair, but for your upper lip. So, this is real life. And then this is the hair removal cream. And you literally don't rub it in. You're just going to take it, the gel, I like dab it on like this as I'm squeezing. And then from there, I kind of spread it, but you don't want to rub, you do not want to rub it into the skin actually. You don't want to absorb it. So I'm just kind of spreading it. And once you make sure you have it on nice and thick, literally all you're going to do is wait 8 to 10 minutes, set a timer, and then I'll show you. You wipe it straight off. It's great. So it's been right at 9 minutes. I usually go right in between 8 and 10. So right at 9, I have medium to coarse hair. The only thing that you're going to do is wipe it off. So see that. And then you wipe right here. So the only thing that I say is a drawback for this is I use a little bit of water usually too. And these are just cotton pads like you would take off your nail polish with. So the only drawback that I see with this currently, I love it. It works amazing. But I purchased this a little over a year ago. I'm still using the same tube. I do this about once a month. But this same exact size that I purchased for less than $18 is now currently right at $99 online. I have absolutely no reason why they should be price gouging. So hopefully I can find this product for a lower price. I absolutely love it. But as far as $100 for a tube that less than like a year ago I paid less than $20 for, but besides that, the product does work amazing, and I'm going to search and I'll update you guys if I find it at a reasonable price because $99 is insane. All right,